Of the day. Passenger side rear spring is broken, so I'm going to change that. This jack needs to be replaced because it is no working, or working very poorly. I'm going to take this off, hammer that flat, put a new jack on there. Well, let's get to it. Alright, there's the broken spring. It fell on me. Well, it didn't fall, the axle just dropped. It didn't fall on me. But I got to get it up in the air right now. He does need these hangers fixed, but I'll let him know. Not too pressing. He could probably run with it how it is. Well, he is running with it how it is, but he needs these hangers fixed. I'll make a list for him. Let's get it. Bolts are coming out. Come on. Good. Bolts are out. Hammer. One shackle link done. That's gonna fall down when I get that off, but it will. Broken piece out. Broken piece out. Hammer, shackle link. It's gonna flip on me. There we go. All right, let's get these U-bolts off. Maybe. All right. Got the spring off. New spring's right here. U-bolts are off. I'm gonna put a new U-bolt kit. Here is the bushing that was on the rocker side. Swapping that out. Maybe. Come on, baby. There we go. And then we put, where is a bad one? Do this. Oh, shackle link is blown out. We're changing shackle links as well. Bushing is in. Let's get this spring on there. Spring bolt in. Shackle links. Shackle link. Shackle link and bolt is in. Let's tighten these down. Done and done. Let's hit it. 7/8 for shackle link bolts. 13/16 for shackle link nuts. 13/16 for the shackle link bolt head. And you hit it. Tight. Whoa, there we go. And tight. Come on. Stay on the bolt head. And tight. Drop the spring onto the saddle. Spring coming down. Or axle coming down. Slide back. Push in. Come on, baby. There we go. We're on the saddle. I got new U-bolt kit going in. Got all of the nuts started. Good. Right angle impact. Find the 3/4 wherever that may be. There it is. There's still a bolt in that. Tight. Good. And one more. Beautiful. All these bolts, I put one bushing in the rocker side. He does need this hanger fixed, but I'll schedule that with him. 2 new shackle links, 3 new bolts and nuts, 1 new U-bolt, 1 new spring. I'm gonna put new lug nuts on there for him. Let's get this tire on. This is 13/16. It is. And tire and wheel going back on. Crackers. Tire and wheel back on. Drop it to the ground. I got all my jacks out, yes. And drop to the ground. Good. Got clearance for the shackle links. Equalizers are good. That's off. Jack coming out. Let's hammer this flat. Yes, sir. Let's see if the jack is flat now. Jack is flat. And maybe a little more. And new jack going on. Plate is pounded straight. Washers, new fasteners. Got it. Jack on, new jack foot in. And torque and lug nuts. Lug nuts are torqued. Let's clean up. I'll do the rundown on this. New jack foot on the front. New spring on the driver or on the passenger side rear. New half a U-bolt kit. 3 new bolts and nuts. And 2 new shackle links. 1 new bushing on the equalizer. This one's done and I'm on to the next.